Hey guys, this is me, Janique618, and I am doing another Nature Box video. I am taking this video with my new phone, the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. I just want to do it like this so you can see everything clearer. I just took everything out the box so you can see everything. Okay, so first I'll start off, this is February. I did my January box already. So this is now my February 2015 Nature Box. The first thing, most of these things I've already had already. So, nothing really new. The first one is a whole wheat strawberry figgy bars. And they come like this. Oops. They come like this. I think there's 5 in here. Yeah, there's 5 in there. So they come like this. These are really, really good. I really love these. And I got this, which I don't know, this might be a mistake because I had this last month and I didn't want it again this month. But, I mean, it's good. I just didn't I didn't mean for it to come again this month. But anyway, this is the Tart and Tangy Fruit Medley. It has cranberries and apple bits in it. I've already had these before, so I'm not going to taste it. Flax fortune coins. I had this last month also. These are mini cookies with flax seeds. I had these before also. These are very good. They taste good. They taste like fortune cookies. This one is new. This is chocolate banana chips. Chocolate flavored banana chips. This one I've never had. Looks like that. It's like a banana. That's good. And the last one that is new is the Massa Crisp, which is corn chips with flaxseed. So I have the flaxseed cookie, and now I have the corn chip with flaxseed. So that's what it looks like. Like that. Focus. Not focusing. There it goes. It's not bad. It's like a corn chip. It probably has sea salt in it, right? Oh no, it has regular salt. Flax seeds. Okay. That's pretty good. I like it. So yeah. So that's all. This is just going to be a quick video. That's all for my Nature Box. Got everything here. I don't know if you can see everything. Let me see. Trying to spread everything out. So yeah. That's my Nature Box video. Got all 5. Let me just show you the little paper. And I don't know if does this thing open? Anyways, let me see. Hold on. Here's the paper. They have oatmeal. I don't know if they still have the oatmeal. I think that's only for December and January, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, that's it. So here's the Nature Box. Whole wheat strawberry fig bars, Massa Crisp, Tart and Tangy Fruit Medley, Flax fortune coins, and chocolate banana chips. These are really good. I really like those. Those are good. Like I said, I've had the fortune coins before. I've had the medley before. And I've had the fig bars before. But the massa and the chocolate banana chips are new, this box. Yeah, I probably didn't have time to change my order before this came out, but it's fine because I like the medley. It's just that it's kind of boring or whatever. But next month for March, I'll make sure that I have different stuff. Because this box wasn't really that different. I only had two new things. So yeah, next month I'll make sure that the box is different. So anyway, thanks for watching my nature box video for February 2015. Yeah, so that's really about it. I don't know if you want to see me. I look crazy. But anyways, I colored my hair yesterday. I colored it yesterday. I added blonde. It's not my hair. I didn't do my hair yet this morning. Well, this afternoon. It's Saturday. I didn't do my hair yet, so I look a little crazy. But yeah. Anyways. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. And yeah. Like the video, and if you have any questions about Nature Box, you can hit me up. Okay, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good weekend. Bye.